This is a really important video for me because I really wanted to make some videos thanking people, but I'm kind of doing that with this video. If you see me sweating a little bit, it's a little hot in the garage. It's like over 100 degrees outside in North Carolina, and I'm in the hack lab that's not air conditioned. So anyways, here we go. If you want to reduce your overall drinking because you click this video and you're saying, okay, what does this guy have to say? I'm going to tell you about something that worked for me, this concept of the future self. I'm drinking hop water here. And so you don't want to stop drinking. Okay, cool. I get it. But you know that you don't want to wake up feeling like crap every single morning. You don't want, you lost your creativity. You've lost just even maybe a drink's not even fun anymore. Maybe it's expensive. Maybe you're hearing other people that are just getting sober and you just want to just stop. But maybe you really want to just reduce your overall drinking. So you obviously you know that you sleep better without it. But what if I told you that maybe giving yourself 2 days will help you recover your liver and you'll even feel better than not drinking once? So I'm just really big advocate on the other side of this, and COVID did it. It created a daily habit. Basically, we deserve this. Then it was basically, I deserve this after a day of work. It's a way for me to distinguish between my work life, being at home and whatever. And I finally realized that it was a habit for me, and I needed to replace it because I wanted to pay something to my future self. The person that wakes up in bed that either feels, oh, or feels like, yes, we're going to go conquer the day. Me and my good, healthy body are going to go conquer the day. And I wanted to feel more like that. So this is a little product that I used when I was doing it. I made it a little bit better so that it can be used by anyone. But it's basically this whole concept of eligible days. All right. So you could use a pad of paper. You don't need this. Okay. But I like this because it set a level of intent every single morning. I put this by where I brush my teeth in the morning. So basically I knew we were going to go out on Saturday night and we were going to go and get some wings and I was going to have a beer. I knew on Sunday night that there was a football game. But then I also realized that I was going to go out to a special event on Wednesday. So instead of drinking every single night, going to a drink to separate the work day from the regular, I said I have three eligible nights out of the week. If I only have 2 eligible nights, which maybe it's only Friday and Saturday, I would just pop one of these off. Okay. So eventually I got down to 2. So now I definitely don't drink during the week. But what I do is if there's a day that I want to drink, I just take it off the weekend and just shift things around. So whether or not you want 1 eligible day a week or if you want 2, this is this concept that you can put all these on the side when you're done with Sunday. You position it on the days that you're eligible for drinking. So if you set this up for 3 days a week, you're going to move it to 3 different spots. Now, it is a tough habit to break and form a replacement habit. That is pickleball, walking in the garden, that is whatever else makes building stuff, wood crafting, doing lathe work, making something like me. You have to do the replacement habit. I love this hop water. Another thing that I drink is this Topo Chico with a lime. I love adding lime to this. So that is one of the things that you could do. So anyways, I'm glad that I made this video. I didn't want to make the video. I wanted to finish this idea because I thought it would be really cool, and I didn't want it to be an app. I wanted it to be something that you would put on your bedside table. So even if you wanted to use it for something else that you could only do 3 days a week, maybe you want to reduce smoking, or if you want to reduce something else, maybe you can consider how many days are you eligible to do something that's fun. Because if you're doing it every single day, it's no longer recreational. It's really sort of a staple in your life. Your liver's not going to recover and other things are not going to recover. And I really wish for you a peaceful night's sleep. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Ryan. And whatever you do, make something that connects someone.